Okay, lesson 13. How did you guys do?
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, do you want to like start with question 3, design the study? Do we need to read the whole question?
No.
Okay. Okay, so question 3 says, what is the research question? We're looking at students, male and female, what their wages are. Hi, Artie.
Hey guys, sorry about that.
You're okay. We just barely started.
Okay, perfect.
So number 3, design the study. What is the research question? Are the wages of male students different from the wages of female students? Does anybody have something majorly different?
And we're on the homework right now, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Let me go and pull that up.
No, it's the same.
Okay.
The same.
Okay. I have the same answer as well. Sorry.
Perfect. Okay. So then the null hypothesis would be U1 equals U2, and the alternative hypothesis would be U1 does not equal U2.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody want to do 4?
Yeah. The students from one of the math department's professional classes took a survey which asked how much they make as an hour wage.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I can do the next one, describe the data. I just said the male's mean average was $11 or 11.935 with their standard deviation 10.491 and the sample size was 88. The female's mean average wage was 9.759, their standard deviation 3.609 with their sample size of 95.
Okay. Melina, did you get 6?
Okay. Making inferences. What type of hypothesis appropriate? Independent sample hypothesis. Okay.
Okay, and the requirements met for the test says the sample size is large, so we assume it's normal, and it is not a simple random sample.
All right.
Okay.
What I got for T was 1.83.
Okay.
I actually have a question for you guys. So,
Okay.
what numbers did you guys use to calculate it? Because each time I did it, I kept getting 1.919. So obviously I did something wrong. I'm a few decimals away. So what numbers did you guys use?
Did you use, hold on 2 seconds, let me find it, because I found that too. Did you use the 2 sample t-test on your Excel sheet?
I did, yes.
And you got 1.9?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably want to double check those. Probably you omitted or for some reason you escape a number or something.
Let me see.
Let me open my Excels.
Hmm. Does your assume equal variances say no? Because that changes it. Or, no, that one doesn't.
Okay, I don't know what I did, but yeah, I have the right answer now.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's okay.
I don't even know what I did, but anyways, I mean, I found it now, so that's okay.
Yeah, if that box that says assume equal variances is yes, then your answer would be 1.889. But if it's no, it's 1.836. So maybe that's what it was. I don't know.
I have no idea, but it's right now, so I'm happy.
Okay, good deal.
Okay, there we go. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Okay, so negative 1.836, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the degrees of freedom. 98.263.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, and then.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. All right.
Okay. Well, the p-value 0.069. The alpha level 0.05. So yeah, and the p-value was greater than the alpha level.
Okay, I have a question on that.
Yes.
How do you know, or where do I find the alpha level? Because like on some of the questions it tells us, but on some of them it doesn't, and I don't know where to find that. Like, is there some, I know it's probably a simple question, but.
No, that's actually good. Let me go ahead and pull up my notes.
Because it changes your confidence intervals if it's wrong, so I don't know.
Okay, that's actually good. I don't even know where my notes are at. Hold on. Okay. All right, found them. Let me see. So for the what's it called, the alpha level, I thought it was just assumed it's like 5% if it's the 95% confidence level. And I just kind of, I guess honestly, I just kind of guessed and I just kind of figured that's what we were doing.
Okay.
But, let me see.
I noticed somewhere else, and I don't even know where now, because I was trying to find it, but somewhere it was like, it wanted the 99% level, and I didn't know, like, do we always assume the 0.05 unless it tells us differently?
I think so, because isn't the alpha level 0.05 just the most commonly used?
Yeah, I just didn't know if there was somewhere that would tell you.
But honestly, I always use 0.05. So
Okay.
if you get it wrong, that's what I use.
Okay, I'll just do that then. Okay, thanks. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, no, you're good.
All right, for F is failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
For G is a difference between wave of males and females students. So it's a solid difference between them.
Okay. I have H. It's negative 0.176 and 4.529, or negative 4.529 and 0.176. And I kind of goes with that. I'll just read I also. It says, so if we use the 0.05, then we have a 95% confidence level that says that the wages between males and females is either between a negative 18 cents and positive $4.53, or negative $4.53 and positive 18 cents.
Right, it's kind of confusing that.
Yeah, it was a little bit, and it was confusing to say. Sorry.
That's okay. It really is confusing. Anyway. All right, for the last one. Who has the last one?
I think our answers can vary on this one, but I just said that there's not enough evidence to note that the action should be taken to shorten the mean between the two genders because we failed to reject the hypothesis.
Okay.
For that one, what I said was, let me see. Well, because we failed to reject the hypothesis, it said we couldn't really do much about it because the sample sizes were different as well.
Okay.
All right.
This was
Right.
a little bit harder week
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, it's becoming to be more complicated as we go through the classes. The contexts are going exponentially increasing. So should we go jump to the test?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Did you guys take it? I haven't taken it yet, so.
No, not yet.
Not
Okay.
yet. I actually was taking it before the class. I just got stopped by the call. So
Good deal.
All right, let me go ahead and pull it up. Okay.
Did we lose Melina?
I'm not sure. Oh, she seems to be connected.
Really, I don't have her showing up on.
Oh no, she's gone. No, it was, but no anymore.
Maybe she'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let's begin, I guess, in the meantime.
Okay.
All right.
I guess I can start with 3. It says, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with independent samples? Mark all that apply. A simple random sample is drawn from each population. That's correct. The mean is normally distributed for each group. That's correct. The U is greater than 0. No. and the sample size must be the same for each group.
Mm,
That one's correct as well.
mm.
The
Well,
last one is, it has to be the same sample size.
Yeah, I'm sure for the two first one. The last one, I would say
Yeah.
probably no.
Yeah,
But,
I think, yeah.
Okay, so just A and B, right?
Yeah,
Okay, that's what I thought.
all right, the test statistics for hypothesis test comparing two means with independent sample is t-score.
T-score.
All
Okay,
right.
two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2. Right?
yep. Yep, yep.
Well, so
Uh-huh.
you're choosing A? Is that what you're choosing?
I'm choosing B.
Oh, B. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
for me, it
Oh,
was
okay,
up
okay.
to B as well.
Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah, it's the same way. It's
Give me a heart attack.
no, that's correct. Okay.
I think Melina's back.
Hi.
I had a problem with internet.
That's okay. We just answered 3, 4, and 5. Do you want us to do those with you? Or have you taken it?
Okay, let me see. Okay, just a second. 3, the first and second.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
T-score.
Yes.
Which
Okay. And 5-2 or no?
Yeah, we did 5, 2.
Okay. And 5.
let's
Yeah, those are the ones we had so far. So for 6, I guess I could read the problem. For the next 6 questions, use a data file, dentist office bills. This data represents a simple random sample of dental bills at a dentist office in Idaho Falls and a dentist office in Rexburg. Let U1 be the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office and U2 be the mean bill at the Rexburg office. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office is less than the mean bill at the Rexburg office, which means we have the null hypothesis. U1 equals to U2, and the alternative hypothesis that U1 is less than U2. Use a level of significance of 0.10.
See, like that one gives it to us.
Yeah, so that's what I'm starting to think. I think that it's just kind of, if it specifies, it's different. If it doesn't, we just assume it's 0.05.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the degrees of freedom? Let me see.
okay. What I got in mind was 37.996.
Yeah.
Oh, I got way
Yeah.
different.
Huh?
I got way different. Hold on.
What you get?
I got 95.426.
95.426?
Yeah, that's strange. How come I got such a different answer?
Yeah.
Mine, I got 38, so, but.
Well, that's no good.
Okay,
Maybe
let me see.
Sorry,
Okay,
hold on a second here.
Yep.
You got 38, huh?
Yeah.
Did you round it,
37.
or that's the number that you got?
That's the number that I got. So we're doing in Excel, it's the two sample assuming unequal variances, right? Or is it the equal variances?
Are you using the 2-sample t-test for means? Excel sheet? Or am I
Oh, yeah.
doing, maybe I'm doing the wrong one.
Which
That's
one are
so-
you doing?
I was in the
Emmanuel, which one are
2-sample.
you using?
Should be the same formula.
I don't know why mine's giving me. Okay, let me see which one is the one that I'm using. So I'm using the t-test 2-sample assuming equal variances. Is that one the correct one? Or is that one completely wrong?
Which one are you said you're using?
The t-test 2-sample assuming equal variances.
Sample.
Is that the one that you're using, or?
Yeah.
Okay, so then when I do that one, I put both ranges, and then do I enter anything for the hypothesized mean difference?
That's.
All right, let me do it again. It's gonna close in my Excel for some reason. All right. You guys check it.
Because Casey, did you get the same thing Emmanuel got? Or?
No, mine's so off and I can't figure out why. What did you guys get? What did you get for 7?
Let's see.
All right, I've got a couple like 4 Excels open and I'm trying to before I get so messed up.
Any-
Well, when I did in my, I just put exactly in the 2-sample t-test for means. I just put all the values and exactly what it said in mine is 37.996.
Okay, what does your confidence level say?
Confidence
For
level
mine,
saying
okay.
for mine it says 0.95.
That doesn't change it.
Okay, let me tell you the values. 0.95. I have type of test not equal to. What else?
Yeah.
Maybe. Well, that would be all. I mean, what it possibly could make a change.
I don't know. I can't figure out why mine is so off.
What are you getting p-value?
0.616.
Yeah, it changed because mine is 0.0666.
And
But what's your degrees of freedom right there? Say.
Degree of freedom is 37.996.
Mine says 95.426. Let me close this out and go back into it. Maybe that's Maybe it's got something in there that
All right.
isn't making sense. Okay, let's see.
Come on. And I froze my computer.
Okay, I had some value in there wrong somewhere. So I've got 37.996 and 0.666.
All right, that's exactly what I got, but I already got something different, so I need
Yeah,
to.
mine rounded up for some reason. I have 38.
Artie, right there where, up there where it says confidence level not equal to, does that say no? Or yes? Where it says assume equal variances.
No, I don't have. No.
Melina, what do you get in that? Maybe you have something different, something that is not the same as us.
About the 6, for example.
Yeah, what'd you get for 6?
37.996, and I use the Excel. It's the same 996.
Okay, I'll just go with you guys because everyone got that one right except for me. Mine for some reason rounds it up, but I don't know. If we probably go on to the next ones, and maybe mine's right or maybe not. I don't know. I guess we'll see.
Well, it depends because the next question asks about the standard deviation. So if we're gonna take the results from the 2-sample t-test, what is the result that you get, Artie?
For mine, I have 206.637.
Yeah, that's what I got.
And what the heck?
No, because what I get in mine is
No.
what I get in mine is 208.87.
Ugh.
No, wait.
Oh wait, no, that's for Idle
I
Falls.
have-
Not the one for it.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have 206.
That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Yes, I got 206.637. That's correct.
Oh, okay.
Melina, what do you have?
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah.
same, the
This is
same.
great.
Good. Okay, we'll get through this eventually.
All right. So far, I'm good. Just the 38 thing. Anyways, whatever. I'm not going to focus on that. Let's keep going.
Okay, number 8, the test statistic. I have negative 0.434.
That's what I have. Yes.
0.434.
434.
434.434.
8? Okay.
Okay, for 9, what it got is, wait, what's the p-value? Oh yes, it's 0.333.
Yep.
Yes.
No, wait. It's not 0.666.
It's 7.
Yeah, 667.
I have 0.333 as well.
I did too.
It's the
How?
2 tell. And we're doing the 1 tell.
I'm gonna close my Excels because for some reason it's not responding, so I will just be patient with me. I'm gonna close this.
Okay.
It's kind of froze.
No, you're fine.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah. 0 is it? Yes.
No, how did you get that?
If you make it wider, which one are you using? Because there's 2, right? It says P, and then there's another one that says P. One's a 1 tell, the other one's a 2 tell.
if you press type of test, if you select less than, it will give you a 0.333.
Oh, I'm with you now. Okay,
All right, so just change that option, type of
got
test.
it. Okay, I'm the same now. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So for 10, what's the correct decision based on the evidence? We failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Right. For 11, what says suppose instead that you had used the alternative hypothesis. What is the correct decision based on the evidence, on this evidence? We have sufficient evidence. That means we have sufficient evidence. That means the B. We have sufficient evidence
Yeah.
that the means and dentist bill between the two cities are different.
Yeah, that's what I think as well.
I think so too, yeah.
I think so.
All right, here we go. Okay, let me just download this one, the freshman dinner. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing as we did before. Oh, really? Seriously? Okay. All right, I'm ready. Sorry that it took too long.
Okay, I am too. Does everyone have it up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Well,
for 12, what is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? I'd say it's B. The U1 does not equal U2.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
yeah.
All right, and I believe question 13.
13.
What it's asking you for the statistic? Got the statistic. Less than, change this. Well, what I got is, wait, what? Test statistic. Did anybody got 0.845?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yeah.
I don't know what I changed here.
What is the p-value? 0.411.
Yeah. I411.
Yeah. I have 0.410.
It's 4107.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Rounded.
Well, with this information, what's the decision you make? The same? Fail to reject the null hypothesis?
yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Determine a 95% confidence interval for U1 minus U2. An estimate for the difference between U1 and U2. Input your answers below. All right, determine margin. Which one was U1?
3.681.
Can you guys tell me how to do that?
Yeah, same here. I'm kind of confused on that.
I mean, Melina, what values are you using for the subtraction?
I use the confidence interview. The okay, sorry. It's negative 5.147. Plus 2.214 divided, and I have 3.681.
So you are just
No, sorry. Yeah. 0.214 and a minus plus 0.147. Yeah, like this. Let me see.
so what do you use? I'm sorry, Melina, I couldn't hear you.
Okay. Wait. Okay, I use 5.47 minus 2.14.
Divided by 2?
2.
Okay. Okay. Let me do this.
So what formula are you guys using?
No, sorry. Not minus, just plus. Okay, sorry.
So are you subtracting it or no? I'm sorry, I kind of got lost in there.
No. Divided. Point 147 plus 2.214 divided 2. I had a 3.6805.
So you have to take the confidence intervals and
Confidence interval.
sorry, hang on 1 second. I'm trying to remember what we're, okay, so you have to subtract the Utah from the Colorado, and then you have to subtract the Colorado from the Utah, and you get 4 numbers, just like we did on number
And the exercise?
H of number 6 in our assignment. So
Seriously, that's kind of confusing.
I know, I don't even know how to explain it.
Well, we have Anders here. He may be able to clarify for us.
Yeah, Anders, can you help us?
Yeah. So just let me know. Make sure I can right on with you guys. You guys are. Which question you got?
We are
We're
in
number 16.
Number 16. Yeah. Okay. So sorry. Sometimes it's a little hard to hear you guys, so I'm just making sure that I'm. But so what are you guys' thoughts on this? Which what's tripping you up on this one?
I know we're going to come up with 4 numbers. I'm just not quite how.
It's catching up with me.
I guess we
I'm
need
sorry,
to help with the formula.
The formula for it?
Yeah.
So the margin, well, just to give a little background. So the margin of error is always going to be half of 1 standard deviation, because it's how far off you are from away from the mean, but on both sides. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
So if you're looking for the margin of error, it's always just 1/2 of 1 standard deviation. So pull up here. I gotta pull up the little, what do you call it thing? Just give me 1 second. So you guys already put in the information into Excel, right?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I like people, but I couldn't do that.
So,
Holy!
just gonna copy real quick.
Jeez, it just knocked me over.
Okay, what we're trying to determine is if we need to subtract confidence interval between each other, or how we should approach to that.
Okay, so so what answer did you guys come up with? Or are you still trying to figure out how to get there?
Yeah, we're totally clueless on what the formula should be.
Okay, so the confidence interval is 1 standard deviation to the left, or not necessarily 1 standard deviation to the left, but it's how far you are to the left of the mean and how far you are to the right, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so that's your upper and lower bound. So what you have to do is you take an average of that and you half it.
Okay, so Melina did 5.147 plus 2.214 and divided that by 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And got 3.6805.
Nice.
Right, Melina?
Just
Yeah, and then hold on. So I know there's something here in the textbook that explains it a little bit better. It's pretty straightforward with it. Just gonna find that real quick.
So rather than subtracting it, you summarize it.
Yes, you're gonna take an average of both of them. So however you want to get that, you take an average of the two, or you take the distance between both of them, and it's half of that, because that's from the lower to upper bound, whereas the margin of error is just from the median, how far out in one direction or the other. So it's kind of like the average of how far away from the 0 or the midpoint, wherever 0. It's kind of like the arbitrary 0 that they set for this test.
So
Okay.
if it asked us for a 90% instead, would we go up and change that confidence level on the, that's why that changes those, correct? That's why that changes your confidence intervals when you change the confidence level on the spreadsheet.
Yeah, exactly.
So as long as our confidence level says 0.95, we take an average of the two confidence intervals, and that gives us the answer of the margin of error, correct?
Yeah, right. So
Okay.
yeah, so you can either do 5.147, and then -2 just means in which direction it's going. So then you just add 2.214 to that, and then half it.
And then divide by 2. So 3.681, you guys.
Yeah.
Did you guys follow that?
Yeah, that's what it did.
Yeah.
Artie, you good?
Yeah.
Melina, you good?
Yeah.
You were good all along. You had the answer all along.
But what was your answer though?
3.681.
Uh,
I have 3.676.
Yeah. So what it also says, this is something I would know as well, but it's a little bit different depending on what is it? It's a little bit different, but if as long as you're close enough to the answer, yeah, what you said you got 3.76, right?
Yeah, within
3.6.
1/10, it will give you the answer correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
So it has to be exactly on. You got it right. Pretty sure.
Let me change it. So 3.6801. Right.
No, 3.681.
3.6.
Yeah.
3.681.
Oh crap. 81. All right, because you rounded it. Okay, got it.
Yeah. And then 17 would be the negative 2.214.
Yeah, that will be the lower.
And then 18, 5.147, correct?
For
147. Yeah.
All right, so go and let's see how it goes.
So I got 13 wrong and 17 and 18 wrong.
I got 17 and 18 right, but I have different answers. I have negative 5.142 for the low. And for the upper bound, 2.209.
That's hard, like. Well, because the guy I did before.
That's interesting.
And then for 13, I have negative 0.845 as my answer.
Negative, sorry, one more time, negative.
It was negative 0.845.
I wonder why
There, 17.
your answers are opposite ours. Like I have positive 0.845. How come? I wonder how come I got positive and you got negative.
Like, you know what, we're going to start schools. Oh, that's right. So where'd she go?
And you said you got, for 17, you got negative 5.147?
Negative 5.8.
And positive
And-
2.209,
209.
huh?
Wait,
Yeah.
how do you got those results, Artie?
The same formula you guys were using, except my margin of error was a 3.676. And then my lower bound was that and the upper bound. So
For this one, you just have to make sure that where is it? That when you look at the information right before question 12, it tells you which one it wants you to put as the first mean and then the second mean. And when you pull up the Excel sheet, it's flipped. So just make sure you flip it. And that's the only way that you got the difference. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No.
So in the
Yeah, so
question,
it-
it says, let U1 represent the number of students from Colorado. But if you look at the freshman dinner, we would have assumed that that was the second one. They tricked us.
So when you pull up the Excel sheet that has the data on it, you have to copy the second column and put that in variable 1, and then the one from column A into variable 2.
Oh. Oh.
I know they're kind of picky on this one, and then they don't
Yes.
set it up for you. Nice.
Thank
So,
you very much. Highly appreciate it.
no worries.
So that's why mine were like different than you
That's
guys.
why you were different. You caught it and we didn't.
Yeah, we didn't. Just we kind
I got
of.
it, but I didn't even got it, so I don't even know.
All right, hold on a second then. Let me
Do
change
you guys
it.
have any other questions? I'm gonna hop into another group meeting here and just.
No, we're good. Thanks, Sam.
No, we're good. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot. See you guys.
Thank you.
All right, just a review. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, I got negative. Yeah, nice. So you put in 13 negative
13,
Point
yes.
eight.
I have,
negative 0.845.
yeah, that's what I have.
All right, and then in 12, I mean 17.
I have negative 5.142.
All right, so pretty much you switch the values.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
I'm gonna-
And then for 18, 2.209.
Oh,
17 is negative 5.142.
yeah.
1.1.
Well, that shows that in the test, in the next exam, it probably can happen again like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so let's pay attention on the.
All right.
So,
Okay. I'll
so,
go retake it.
so, Artie,
Yes.
you have a negative 1.142.
No, it's a negative 5.142.
142.
Yeah.
0.1.
Yeah, because changing the values make a lot of difference. I mean, it changes everything.
Oh, yeah.
18.
18 is 2.209.
2.209.
What it happens is pretty much we change the columns backwards of values, and that changes the values of results. So
Hey guys, so I have to head back to work, but so next week though, is everything okay though?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
we're good.
that's
I'm
fine.
going to stop the broadcast.
yeah, we're
Thank you.
finished.
Thank you
So
guys. Sorry about not being as.
no, don't worry. Right.
Okay. All right, thank you guys.
Bye.